Today we're going to do a review on the Dremel 4300. I've got a Dremel 4000, but the motor messed up in it. I had it repaired and it messed up again. So I got this one. The Dremel 4300. Right here. Alright, let's get this thing open. I bought a different Dremel because this one's a better one. It's better than the 4000. The Dremel 300 and the accessories. It's a nice pretty box. Here's the Dremel itself. Hang it up.
Quiet na.
And you wrap the cord around.
It's nicer.
Here. That way you can always have it on hand. It has a USB light. It has a USB light
Backward,
on it.
backward.
USB light. And here is, and this Dremel can hold a lot of different accessories and different tools, because unlike the other versions of the Dremels that has a what you call it, that you stick the tool into, this one actually has a drill chuck to put the tools into. So you can put more accessories on this one. And it also, let's see, let's hook this up. It has variable speed. And also hang it. It has an on-off button. Variable speed. Take it off. That's the USB light. And the Dremel 4300 is a little bit bigger than the Dremel 4000, and it's more powerful. The Dremel 4000 has a 1.6 amp motor. The Dremel 4300 has 1.8 amp motor. So the motor in this one is bigger. This one's tougher. Can take more, and hopefully it can use even more of the accessories that come with it that I have for the Dremel 400. But also you can remove this chuck head and take this thing off to remove this light. But I'll do that right now because it's not. I just want to take that chuck off. But like I say, the Dremel 4000 has a just remember, when you get this one, you're getting a better Dremel, because the Dremel 4000 has a 1.6 amp motor, which has 1.8. So this one is better. If you're a hobbyist, the 4000 will work fine, but if you do work like I do, it's good to upgrade for a Dremel like this. It comes with a whole bunch of accessories. Accessories on here. Comes with a whole lot of accessories. And also, you can take this thing out, and it comes with
What's in that box?
It comes with a flex hose, flex cable.
Oh, in the black box.
And in the black box here,
That one.
the tray, you have this accessory. So you can use spiral upcut bits. So you can take thin pieces of wood, plane it down, or buy it thin, whatever. Put this on it and put the drill bit. You can engrave with this thing in wood, follow picture designs, or you can put the drill bit all the way through the wood and then put it so it won't be touching the table, of course, and then actually cut out complete designs with this thing. Here is the collet it comes with, so if you want to remove the drill chuck on the end and use a collet, then you can use this. Go ahead and take it out of the bag. Also, it comes with this. This phone's ringing. This here is a circle cutter. You put your Dremel in here, tighten it up, put this right here in the wood, cut circles for this. And then we use a spiral bit to cut a hole in the wall, or cut a hole in a piece of wood that's already laying down. You can do a lot of different things with the Dremel. Like I said, this is the better Dremel, a little bit more expensive, better airways. The air opening in this one is better than the Dremel 4000. And I will get the Dremel 4000. This is actually the Dremel 4000. The Dremel 4000 is no longer works properly, so I put it in a repair box. We're going to have it repaired anyway. And this is the Dremel 300. This is a good tool if something happened to it. But instead of messing around with the 4000, I decided to get the 4300, which has more power, and it's already. And once something's happened to a tool like this, I had it repaired. This was repaired once already, and then it's messing up again. If I hook it in and use it, it'll come on, but it sounds kind of off. And if you press it, it starts spinning normal again. When you let it go, it slows down. So I don't know what's going on in here. Have a technician look at it. It has no warranty on it anymore. But I'm not just going to toss this and try to have this repaired. So that has been the short review of the Dremel 4300. I highly recommend the 4300 over the 4000. It's more power, better airway openings, fit more accessories in because of this drill chuck, but you can put this on. Fits in here. You've got it's a nice tool, and it comes with this holder, so it's nice all the way around. So I'm going to put this thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, make a comment, support me on Patreon, some way my little channel can grow. And I hope you got something out of this video. And that's it. So I'll see you next time on the next review. So goodbye. See you later.